Let's see if you can hear Lizzie snoring. Oh, she woke up. Yeah? I know, I'm cooking. It smells like scalloped potatoes, doesn't it? Lay your head right back down. There's an annoyed kitty because I woke you up.